Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about types of Unix files. Okay, so basically, the Unix file system contains several different types of files. So, all of us just look at this diagram, the structure. Yeah, so this is the classification of Unix file system. It starts with ordinary files, directories, special files, pipes, sockets, and then symbolic links. Okay. So once again, I'm repeating ordinary files, directories, special files, pipes, sockets, and then symbolic links. Yeah. Now coming back to the first one is ordinary files. So what do you mean by ordinary file? Basically, an ordinary file is a file on the system that contains data or some text or some program instructions. Okay. So in most of the cases, in long format, the output of ls option L. Okay, this type of file is specified by the symbol dash. So most of the cases, ordinary files contains the data, text, or program instructions. Okay, long format output is ls option L. That's about the ordinary files. Now coming back to directories. So directories can store both special files as well as ordinary files. Okay? So a directory file contains an entry for every file as well as its subdirectory. So it what do you mean by entry here? So each entry has two components. One is for file name and another one is for unique identification number for the file or directory. Sometimes this unique identification number is also known as inode number. So in longest format, the output of ls option L is specified by the symbol D. Why? Because it is a directory. Next, third one is special file. The purpose of special files is to denote some physical real device such as a printer. You can take a type drive, you can take a terminal, which is used for IO operations. So basically, again, these are of two types. One is character special file, and another one is block special file. Okay. So how can you represent the character special files in longest format? So it is denoted by the symbol. The initial letter is C. Similarly, for block special files can be represented in a longish format by the symbol B. This is regarding the special files. Okay, my dear students. Now, fourth one is pipes. So, in Unix operating system, what pipe can does? So, it is basically meant for linking the commands together or joining the commands together. In some cases, pipe act as a temporary file which only exists to hold the data from one command until it is read by the another command. Once again repeating, just act as a temporary file only to hold the data from one command until which is read by the another command. The best example, let's all of us see here. So who pipe wc option L. What it does here, it combines the first command who stands for who are the users currently logged in, and as well as wc stands for it will indicate the count. It denotes the word count of the person who are currently logged in a L. L stands for in a long format. Okay. So this is about the example of the pipes. Next, coming to the sockets. A socket or Unix sockets, or it is also known as inter-process communication socket, is also a file which is meant for advanced inter-process communication. Okay. So what do you mean by advanced inter-process communication? So best example is the socket which is within here. The very well-known example is client server, the interaction between client and server application framework. So in this case, so the sockets are marked by the symbol S in a longest format. And then we are having of symbolic link. So most of the cases symbolic links are used for referencing some other file, referencing the some other files. Okay. Symbolic links are sometimes are known as the soft links. Sometimes symbolic links are also known as soft links. Symbolic links are marked with a symbol called as L. So where L stands for, in the language format, L stands for link. L stands for link. So this is regarding the types of Unix files. So this is the diagram. Okay, the classification of Unix files, and this is about the explanation regarding the all the files, ordinary files, directories, special files, pipes, sockets, and then symbolic links. Okay, understood, my dear students? That is about the types of files. Now, so the next topic of the next important topic after types of Unix files is permissions. Okay, so generally, why permissions are required in Unix operating system or a Linux operating system? So in every file in a and directly in your Unix operating system has the following three permissions. So just look at the diagram here. So first of all, we're having a owner, sorry, user. He can have permissions of read, write, and execute. Similarly, next one is group. He can also having a read permission, write permission, and then execute permission. And then all other. All are also known as other. User is also known as on. So all can also having a read, write, and execute. So this is the owners assign permissions on every file and directory. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the permissions. Finally, all these are there stored in a file. Okay, in one specific directory or file. Means user related information, group related information, finally all related others related information. Okay. So in next class we will see some more important points regarding the permissions. Okay students, thank you so much.